Hi, I am going to explain the Wi-Fi test Arisent automation solution. So here is the agenda for today. I will explain automation architecture, AP site configuration, device site configurations, sniffer configurations, and then I will explain the invoking steps in automations, and then we will have a real demo on the Wi-Fi automation. So first let's come to the architecture. So in the architecture we have a control machine on which our framework is, and we have a access point, and we have some Windows devices and a wireless sniffer. So wireless sniffer is already present on the control machine. Access point and control machine are connected over Ethernet cable, and Windows devices and the control machine are connected via USB to Ethernet controller. So now let's come to the AP site configuration. So control machine will configure the access point using the Ruby side script. So it will normally automate the GUI of the web page of the access point, and it will automate the Wi-Fi configuration on the access point. Now we have a device side configuration. So here I am using some utility for configuring the device side Wi-Fi parameters. So the device can be any tablet, laptop, desktop which is Wi-Fi enabled, and it must have a operating system with Windows XP SP3 or the later version. And the wireless sniffer, as I already mentioned, is present on the control machine, which is used to capture all the wireless packets, right? So this is the invoking steps of the automation. First, the automation framework will trigger the AP for the Wi-Fi configuration setting. So here I am calling my Ruby script to automate the GUI of AP side web page. So after that it will throw some wireless packets, which is beacon packet. So with the help of sniffer I am capturing all those packets, and then the automation framework will validate some parameters in that packet, and based on the validation it will log the result. After that the automation framework will trigger the device site configuration, and in Windows device the Wi-Fi settings gets configured. So after that we will fetch the remaining wireless packet like probe packet, authentication packet, and ASOC packet, etc. And then we will validate the parameters inside those packets, and then based on the validation we will log the result. So after that the device, Wi-Fi device, will ping to the AP. So after pinging we are getting the ping result, and we are logging the result based on the ping validation. So this is the cycle for one test case. So like we can have more than one test case, so at last it will create the summarized report for all the test cases. So at last we will have all the report for the summarized test cases. Then here is the sample of a captured beacon packet. Here we can see that it has channel number, channel type, channel frequency. Like these are the parameters we are checking inside this packet, and it has the SSID also. So now let's come to the sample of a log. So this is our log file, and inside that, as you can see, that for first test case authentication open, here is the captured packet log result, like result for beacon packet, probe packet, and authentication and association packet. At last we have the ping result. So based on all the parameters it will give the overall result. If all parameters are get passed, then it will say okay, the test case is getting passed. So now let's have a real demo on the devices. So now let's come to the demo part. So here we have a laptop with Ubuntu operating system. We have a Cisco Linksys router, and we have a tablet with Windows 8 operating system. In tablet I have run a server application which will listen the client commands over the TCP protocol for configuration of Wi-Fi settings. So as you can see here, the Android Wi-Fi is my SSID, so already it's disconnected. Okay, so now you can see later that it will get connected after the Wi-Fi configurations. So here first I will start my automation. Then first it will enable the monitor interface on the wireless chipset, and then it will start the automation. So let's start the automation. So it has enabled the monitor interface, and now it will open the web page UI of the access point. So here it will set the Wi-Fi settings like network mode, network name, channel width, and the channel number, and then it will save the settings. Then it will configure the security parameter. So first one is disable security. So this is our first test case. So after that it will capture some packet. For beacon packet it will capture, and then it will come to the device side. So here you can see that it has configured the Wi-Fi settings, and the device is connected. And here also you can see that already the device is connected, Android Wi-Fi. So meanwhile we are capturing all the wireless packet for the validation purpose. So after all the packet get captured, the device will ping the access point, and as you can see here, the device is pinging the access point, and the pinging is getting passed. So it will fetch the ping result and analyze the ping result for the validation. After that we are logging the result in the log file, and then it will come to the second case, which is WEP open security test case. So now wait for some time. So now it's getting started. It will again open the web page of the access point, and it will set the parameters, network mode, channel width, SSID, and channel number, and then it will save the settings. Then it will go to the security part. It will set the security mode as WEP, encryption for 64-bit, and key as 12345678990. So, and here the authentication type is open, as we have two type of authentication, shared and open. So this is for shared. So now here it comes for device side configuration. So it's again get completed, and as you can see here, it's connected. So now you can see I will show the connection properties. Its security type is open, means open algorithm, and encryption type is WEP, key index is 1. So now it's a WEP configured Wi-Fi connection. So after that you can see the ping from device to access point also. So it's getting completed. Here again we are capturing all the wireless packets. So these are the numbers, and then it will filter out the packets based on the MAC addresses of device and access point, and validate the result, and it will log the result. So now you can see the log. I will show the log. Here you can see the log that it has created the log file, and here the first test case is authentication open. So authentication open, we are capturing beacon packet, probe packets, probe response packet, and authentication packet, and association packet. So we are validating some parameters inside those packets, and then at last we are pinging the result. So here is the ping criteria, and you can see the pass fail result. So all are getting passed. So if all the parameters are getting passed, then it will say overall result get passed, otherwise it will say the overall result is fail. So this is for first test case. So now next test case is our WP64 with the open authentication algorithm. So again the same thing we are checking here, like we are checking the SSID and authentication algorithm as open system, and the ping result. So here also all the result is getting passed, and after that it will show the overall result. So this is our log file looks like. Okay, so we are end with the automation demo. Thank you so much.